Hey guys, how we doing today? This is Miguel from 413customs.com, and today we have it right here. Headlights for 2017 Camry XSE. And most of you know, and if you don't know, these are LEDs. They do not have a regular bulb. I had bought some RGBs to try to convert the colors on the headlights, and to my surprise, they do not have any bulbs. So I took it up on the task to crack these babies open, and I encountered a few problems. So first one, I suggest that you don't put them in the oven like most people do, because they do have internals. I'm gonna show you in a couple minutes on what they have inside, and I'm gonna show you a brief description of what I'm gonna be doing with this. I haven't seen anyone do this before, so after 4 hours of battling trying to crack this open, it doesn't look pretty, but I'm gonna fix it. I had to use a heat gun, little by little. I had to pry it open, but I'm gonna find, doesn't look pretty, but don't let it discourage you. This can be fixed super easy. I'm gonna take this cover off so you can see. There's 3 pieces right here. I already took the piece from the inside. It's got a couple screws. One over here. There you go. I'll put this aside for now. This is the bevel assembly right here. This piece right here comes out pretty easy. Just unscrew it. Right? I'll put this aside over here. And it's got these boxes right here that control the LEDs. There's another one all the way in the bottom over here, and I always was wondering where are the bulbs, because I couldn't see it. And I don't know if you, let me see if I can do this right here. If you see it all the way in the back there, you see that little yellow shining up there on the top. That's one LED, high beams. There's another one all the way over there. I don't know if you see it's like shining kind of yellowish. And sorry about my finger, I'm gonna take the projector off. There's 2 screws. I don't know if you can see them from here, but there's 2 screws that hold this in place. I'm gonna take it off. That's a bit. And here's the main LED. All right. Now I have not tested this, because I put it in the oven for like about 7 minutes and it started smoking, so hopefully all the internals are good. I'm gonna test it in a couple minutes. So what I'm trying to do is a devil eye. It can be done on this model of Camry because it's sealed, but I cracked it open, so I'm gonna be the first one doing it. You're gonna wonder, how am I gonna do this? Well, I got a little creative. I bought myself some RGB LED strips. Not your normal LED strips. I got these babies right here. It's only got 3 bulbs. It's controlled by your phone. It comes with a box right here. I'm gonna do the wiring later. And you must be wondering how you're gonna put that in there. Well, I found a way to make it reflect on the bevel here. So what I did, I cut a little hole at the bottom right towards the inside of the headlight right here. Okay guys, so if you can picture this, it's gonna go inside. So the hole is on this side right here. See the hole right there. I'm gonna pass it through.